What's up guys, hi, I'm Tony and you're watching the Capped Malayali. So today we are going to see about DIGITEK Light Stand. So let's unbox. Yes, so this is the DIGITEK Light Stand. The main purpose that I bought this was I have a DIGITEK LED ring light and I need a stand to support that, so that's why I got this. So here you can see that they have a very low budget or creative packaging, because they are just using the cardboard and printing the designs that they want on the cardboard. So let's unbox and see the product first. Yeah, so anybody that is in need of a premium support, they can definitely get this, because when I saw this online, 6 feet aluminum alloy stand, and this is definitely good for providing a stern support for your light, or if you have a camera mount you can use that also, and reflector, diffuser, anything, soft box. This is best for studio lighting, or if you are in video production. They say that this is lightweight, but this is definitely not lightweight, because I can feel that this is really heavy. Maybe because I am using a light stand for the first time, so I don't know what's the difference between the heavyweight stand and the light stand. Yeah, so as you see, this comes in completely black color, and they have rubber support at the bottom and 3 different locks for the extensible stand. And as you see in the bottom, it is kind of a hinge support, where you can, if you want this to be exactly 6 feet, you can open the last lock and you have to stretch the bottom so that you can easily access the whole 6 feet. But this is sufficiently enough for my purpose, and this is the way how you should access the last lock. And by opening this last lock, you can stretch the hinge support so that you can access the whole 6 feet however you want. And at the bottom there is they say that it is jerk proof and practical design, and there is a shock absorption rings at the bottom, and when you open the last flip lock, you can easily access that. And the major disadvantage that I find is that they don't provide any cover or something that you can carry this stand. Other than that, this is definitely good, especially for YouTube purpose, and definitely good for indoor and outdoor. And this is definitely ultra portable light stand that you can find online, and it comes in different sizes like 6 feet, 9 feet. You can choose whatever you want. And regarding the price, if you buy now, it is priced at 679 rupees. If you are looking for a portable lightweight 6 feet stand, then this is the one. So see you guys on the next video. Capped Malayali signing off.